Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at Jesebang YT18 True Wireless Stereo Earphone. Product contents. Charging case. Wireless earbud. Type-C charging cable. Instruction book. Earbud tip. Product specification. Introduction. Pairing. Step 1. Take both earbuds out of the charging case and both earbuds will power on and start pairing automatically. If the earbuds are not connected to your device for more than 5 minutes, the earbuds will automatically turn off. Press the MFB button for about 3 seconds to manually turn on the earbuds when prompted to power on. One earbud will flash a white light, while the other earbud will flash a white light every 3 seconds, indicating that the wireless earphones have completed pairing. Step 2. Enable the Bluetooth pairing mode on your phone, search, and select YT18 to connect. You should hear a voice prompt connected when wearing earbuds. If the indicator light of the earbud is off, the phone is connected automatically. By default, the earbuds will connect automatically to the last paired phone when powered on. Prompt. If you have any problem pairing the two earbuds with your phone, put the earbuds back in the charging case and repeat the above steps. These earbuds can be used not only together, but also individually. If you want to use a single earbud, just take one earbud out of the case and connect it to your phone. When using two earbuds, manually turn off one earbud or put one back in the charging case and you'll be able to use the other earbuds alone. Functions. Charging. Earbuds charging. The earbuds will only be charged when you place them in the charging slots correctly. You can charge the charging case and the earbuds at the same time, or you can charge the charging case first and then the earbuds. The indicator light will show white when charging. The charging case will stop charging automatically and the indicator light on earbuds will go out when fully charged. When the earbuds are charging in the charging case, the digital display bar of the case will keep blinking and turn off when the earphones are fully charged. Case charging. There is a Type-C USB charging cable in the package. Please use it to charge the case directly. During charging, the digital display will flash and display the battery level in real time. When fully charged, the number shows 100. Charging alerts. After using it for a long period, due to the oxidation of the magnet connector, the earbuds might not be charged or even turned on. You can fix this problem by cleaning the magnet connectors on the earbuds and charging case with an alcohol wipe. Put the earbuds in the charging case. The earbuds will turn off immediately and the charging case will start charging automatically. The earbuds will connect to the last paired phone automatically. Storage and maintenance. If the earbuds have not been used for more than 3 months, we recommend that you charge them. Please use a charger approved by the ECC Federal Communications Commission. Do not disassemble the earbuds. Children aged 12 and under require adult supervision. Do not expose the earbuds to high or low temperatures, and do not use the earbuds during a thunderstorm. Avoid free fall or violent shock to the device. Keep the device away from sources of fire and do not place the device in water. Warnings. Frequently asked questions. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.